And them now beat them like a dog that can yam back vomit. The other scammers them jump and pulpit. Hug up collection, hate and that top secret. I push more them a gas and profit. Me don't know the whole of them are hypocrites.
Good day, my wonderful friends. It's me again, the great. One more great countryman. Remember to like, share and subscribe and click on another video. Now, you see that artist here are the wickedest and the biggest artists ever come out of St. Vincent and the Eastern Caribbean. Wanna see where the artist name? Him name Al Soloman Trotman. Big heavy artist from out of St. Vincent. And I want to tell you something about the artist here. Listen to this. St. Vincent him come from, see? And believe you me, the man thing bust. And when it bust, enough of the radio station them no one play the man music down there, you know. Because of Ralph. Them afraid of Ralph. The man say, yo, about 7-8 radio station no one play him tune. I want go one radio station play him tune. And it's a radio station named Nice Radio. Al Soloman was a school teacher and his mother was a high school principal. Now, he used to run with the Youth Man Promotions and a big time artist. The last show him do, you know, in a 99 with Bounty Killer and Merciless. And Bounty Killer and Merciless a clash right there in a Victoria Park in a St. Vincent. And a man dead, because when Bounty Killer come on stage and start the thing, boom. So people dead, man actually dead in the park and that show the end prematurely. At them time they know the artist Lego come a foreign and the artist ready for jump out back. So the artist a push out, you understand? Now, why me like the artist here? You see the thing where you must sing? It a deal with reality. And it a deal with enough of the things we are going to St. Vincent and Jamaica. But one point more I make. The St. Vincent government, you understand, them take the tune with the man, the personal, just like with them do Isaiah. You understand? So here what, without further ado, Al Soloman Trotman premiere big heavy video. Watch it right now. Watch this.
Day by day, the violence escalates. As you blink, another sister is being raped. And robberies are high up on the rise. While child molestation look you dead on in the eyes. Stay focused, my brethren and my sisters. Targets in your range. It's time to get up, make that move. You've got to make that change. We country it gone. We the people have to take it back. Can't you see what's going on? Corrupt politicians, them a flippy flap. We country it gone. We the people have to take it back. Can't you see what's going on? The politicians, them a flippy flap. Hey, hey, yeah. Ignite the fire up under them. Hey, yeah. It's all about the family and friends. Systematic racism was placed strategically in the precious name of white supremacy. Religious warfare breeds a confused state of mind, misleading the people to a place of left behind. Rise up, my siblings and my offspring. Can you realize we can rise up rise up, save yourselves. There's no rescue from the skies. Spirituality is gone. We the people have to bring it back. Can't you see what's at one? See the pastor man aside the back. Morality is gone. We the people have to bring it back. Can't you see what's at one? See the preacher man a flip it flop. Hey yeah, hey yeah. Ignite the fire up under them. Hey yeah. It's all about the family and friends. We get the trip. Jump off the slave ship. One off the plantation. We the beat Nebuchadnezzar above a strike you with it. Them pull them pocket in a offshore bank. That away them stash it. Accountability under carpet. Conspiracy under blanket. When we upright, them a slip. When we make the right move, them a sick. While we curse them, pack up and a sip. Sell off the country for them old benefit. From corruption, them now treat them like a dog that can yam back vomit. The other scammers, them jump and pulpit. Hug up collection, hate and that top secret. And this more them a got same profit. We don't know the whole of them a hypocrites. Hey yeah. But the fire up under them. Hey yeah. The country is gone. We the people have to take it back. Morality is gone. Humanity is gone.